This lecture walks through an assignment with which you can follow along to learn about ChatGPT, a popular AI language model, Python, a popular free programming language, and business analytics. Note that I do encourage you to use ChatGPT to assist in knowledge work in this class and your career. However, also note that ChatGPT output cannot be a substitute for actual human learning. It is to assist, not to replace human learning. Always be aware of policies governing its use in classes and professional settings. Misusing AI in some circumstances can be construed as unethical. Here is the assignment. In this assignment, you will explore the intersection of artificial intelligence, programming, and analytics by creating a dashboard utilizing ChatGPT and Python. You will learn how to interact with ChatGPT to generate Python code and apply it to a software representation of a functioning baseball or softball scoreboard. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. It utilizes a deep learning architecture to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Common uses of ChatGPT include generating text for various purposes such as writing articles, composing emails, answering questions, and generating code snippets. Python is a high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It is widely used in various fields such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and automation. Common uses of Python include writing scripts, developing web applications, building machine learning models, and automating tasks. In the context of business analytics, a dashboard is a visual representation of key performance indicators, or KPIs, metrics, and other relevant data points that provide a comprehensive overview of an organization's performance in real time or near real time. Dashboards may consist of the following features: data visualization, visual elements such as charts, graphs, gauges, and heat maps; real-time or near real-time data, up-to-date information allowing for timely decision-making; customizable layouts. To suit user preferences, users may want changes to visualizations, components, or display settings. Interactivity, features that allow users to drill down into different parts of the organization, filter based on specific criteria, and explore different perspectives. Cross-functional insights, integrate data from multiple sources and departments. Alerts and notifications involve automatic notification of significant changes or anomalies. And finally, mobile accessibility allows users to access using smartphones and tablets. The assignment involves 7 steps. Step 1 is to download and install Python. Begin by downloading and installing Python from the official website. Follow the installation instructions based on your operating system. If necessary, create an account on the Python website to access additional resources. If you have problems, you can follow the Python installation guide using the link provided on the slide. Step 2 is to create a ChatGPT account. Visit the OpenAI website to create an account for accessing ChatGPT. Follow the registration process and ensure that you have access to the ChatGPT interface. A free account is all that is necessary to complete the assignment. Step 3 is interacting with ChatGPT. Explore the ChatGPT interface and understand how to prompt it to generate text. Practice with simple prompts to get familiarized with its capabilities. Step 4 is understanding the scenario. Imagine you are tasked with developing a program to manage a baseball or softball scoreboard during a game. The program should allow users to update the scores of the 2 teams, home and away, and display the current score. Step 5 is prompting ChatGPT for Python code. Using the skills you've learned, prompt ChatGPT to generate Python code that implements a baseball or softball scoreboard. Provide prompts that describe the necessary functionalities, such as updating scores and displaying them on the scoreboard. Step 6 is implementing the scoreboard program. Based on the Python code generated by ChatGPT, Implement the scoreboard program in your Python environment. Test the program with different scenarios to ensure it functions as expected. Step 7 is reflection. Write a brief reflection on your experience using ChatGPT and Python for this assignment. Discuss any challenges you encountered, lessons learned, and potential applications of these technologies in the field of management information systems. Submission instructions. Submit your assignment report containing the following: installation screenshots of Python, confirmation of ChatGPT account creation, screenshots or transcripts of interactions with ChatGPT, run the program and show screen captures of 1. The scoreboard, and 2. All Python code. Explain how to update the score. And finally, reflection on your experience. And finally, your teacher says feel free to reach out for assistance or clarification throughout the assignment process, and good luck. Note the length of the assignment. We will use ChatGPT to greatly assist in the integration of relatively complex concepts, Python programming, dashboards, etc. Shown here, the student submits screenshots verifying Python installation. Likewise, the student submits screenshots verifying ChatGPT account creation. Shown here are the first and third attempts to prompt ChatGPT to write Python code that will generate a scoreboard. Note that the second attempt is missing, which could be a problem in grading. Here, the student shows screenshots of the Python code, all of which was generated by ChatGPT. Also shown is the scoreboard. Although it is crude, it completes the assignment. The instructor will decide the merits of the scoreboard. Next, the student provides these instructions for making the scoreboard work. The instructions are: mouse-click the relevant command button to add 1 to the score. Finally, the student writes this narrative reflecting on what was learned in the assignment. The narrative says, as a student new to programming, Python, dashboards, and interacting with ChatGPT, I learned several valuable lessons from this assignment. First, while I did not have to edit the program, only the ChatGPT prompt, this assignment introduced functional Python concepts. These include variables, functions, loops, conditional statements, and libraries. For example, Tinker for GUI development. I learned how to quickly, in 5 minutes, write simple Python code to create a graphical user interface for a scoreboard. Second, by implementing a graphical scoreboard using Tinker, I gained exposure to creating simple user interfaces in Python. By prompting ChatGPT, I created GUI concepts, including command button creation and layout management, for example, grid layout, while designing the scoreboard. Third, although this assignment focuses on a basic graphical scoreboard, it introduces the concept of dashboards and user interaction. I learned how to create simple interfaces that allow users to interact with data and perform actions. Fourth, I also engaged with ChatGPT to seek assistance, ask questions, or explore additional topics related to programming, Python, GUI development, or any other related subject matter. This interaction helped me learn how to utilize AI-powered tools for learning and problem solving. I hope you learned from this lecture introducing data analytics with ChatGPT and Python. Thanks for watching.